As part of my practice of handling life insurance and accidental death claims, I will review court decisions that come down discussing claims that are granted or denied. Recently, I come across a case from the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals dealing with a case out of Missouri in which the insurance company had denied payout on an accidental death and dismemberment claim, and the Court of Appeals upheld that denial. The situation was that a woman fell down a flight of stairs, suffered severe hemorrhaging, and died. Her family made a claim under the accidental death policy. Now, a couple of things come up here. First of all, this was an ERISA policy that she had obtained through her employer. ERISA is a federal law that preempts state laws and governs the enforcement and interpretation of policies such as this, who are obtained through a private employer. ERISA, the deck is somewhat stacked against the employee and their families because the ERISA administrator is generally the insurance company. And the courts have determined that they are supposed to give great deference, substantial deference to the decision made by the plan administrator. Now, this generally works in unfairness because it's the administrator who'd be making the claim, and they're also the same entity that the courts are supposed to defer to. Their interest is in denying claims because that's more profitable. And so that presents an uphill battle. But in this case, I don't think the court really felt it was a close call anyway, because the policy had an intoxication exclusion. The policy said that they were not going to pay for claims where the death was contributed to by intoxication. And in this case, the court noted that this woman was 3 or 4 times the legal limit for alcohol in her system. And the court did not have any problem finding that, at minimum, that her alcohol blood level contributed to the fall down the stairs, and so it was not purely an accident. It's very important that when you have an accidental death claim that you consult an attorney who is experienced in evaluating those claims and also experienced in evaluating whether or not federal or state law applies.